In today's video, we are going to show you how to allow pop-ups on Edpuzzle. Now, if Edpuzzle isn't opening properly or a video won't launch, pop-ups may be blocked by your browser. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials and open your browser settings. Now, if you are using Chrome like I do, I want you to go to the top right corner where you can see the three dots and scroll down until you find settings. Now here, click the privacy and security and then hover to site settings. Now, scroll down until you find pop-ups and redirects. I want you to click on it. Now, under the allowed for pop-ups and redirects, I want you to click the add button, and then you need to enter the official website or URL link of Edpuzzle, which is going to be https://edpuzzle.com. Click add to save. All right. What will happen is you are allowing third-party cookies, which is important for Edpuzzle to work. Okay. Now, try to reload Edpuzzle again to see if that works. Okay. Play a video. And the pop-up should now open without any issues. And that's it for today's video on how to allow pop-ups on Edpuzzle. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.